Yo, what is going on, family? This is your mentor Spoo from FOREX&YOU. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the very much educational channel that you can find on YouTube. So let's just dive in deeper. Let's not waste any time. Let's just go straight to Eurusd and see what we have. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Switch on that notification bell so that whenever this channel uploads, you're being notified. So Eurusd, as you can see, guys, we've predicted this move I believe last week. This move was predicted last. So basically what we have is that we're having a up and down channel. So we had an impulsive move to the downside. I think we have reached our low, guys, so it would give me like a few ideas that we might be going for a head and shoulders. I can see possibly a head and shoulder being formed right there. As you can see, we have our left shoulder right there. Let me just draw my head right here, and we can, predict, because Forex is about probability, right? Nobody has the structural direction of the market. We all use all of these tools that we learn from certain institution, and then we apply them in our daily trading life. So what we have is that so you can expect the price to respect that level, just to respect it, sort of delay the push to the upside and then take over with the direction. So that is what I possibly anticipate on this very generous pair, because yeah, guys, we got paid last week. Yeah, this pair moved quite a lot. And another second suggestion is that the price can actually tank. We can go down. It would act like a head and shoulder, but it would not respect that head and shoulder. We can respect that level from there and then go all the way to the downside. So there's two possibilities, guys, but take it from me as your mentor. I think that the price will definitely respect the head and shoulder formation right there. And let me just take my channel right here just to confirm with my analysis or method of trading, because remember, guys, we need to use a different variety of options, right? We need to use different variety of trading strategies to confirm with our number one strategy, right? For some of you guys that use your RSIs, you can try that. You can tweak in a bit of your analysis, just to make it more clearer in your understanding. So let's go to the second pair, which will be let's just take the British pound against the dollar. So as you can see, guys, we didn't tweak in anything. We didn't edit. As you can see, our last week analysis played out, to the T. So what we have is that you can see we've been going down, guys. I've been saying this. We've been having a downtrend on this pair. We've been selling for the longest of time. So the basic fundamental rule of trading is break of structure, retest to that structure, and continuation. But in my experience and in my understanding of trading is that we have learned that sometimes whenever a price breaks a level, it'll give you what you really want, and then it'll take you what you got. That's how we trade the market. So I know for newbie traders, they would literally be buying this pair, because they see a clear head and shoulders. But tell you what, guys, from my own understanding, this is also what I very much see. But I've got different ideas as well on how to understand the market and how to approach the market by using demand and supply. So we all can see that it's a clear head and shoulders. We had a channel right there. We had our downtrend channel. We broke our channel, and we need to go all the way up. But this is what I can anticipate on this trade, is that we disrespect the channel, we go a little bit down, you know, we go a little bit down to our demand zone right there, because I can see a spike, not really a spike, but a bullish engulfing candle right here, and there is also a indecision candle right there. So this is what I can anticipate on the pair, you know, because you know, 90% of traders, they lose their monies in 90 days, because you know why? They trade the normal basic price action, you know, which is break, retest, and continuation. On our third point, so this is the Gbpchf agent. So what we have is that we know that this pair ranges quite a lot. So for some of you guys that don't know what is the term range or ranges mean, what does the term range or ranges mean is that it goes sideways, you know, it's a sideways market, you know, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and so forth, you know. So what we can see is that with this pair we had an impulsive move to the downside, and we've been ranging for quite some time. So with the whole ranging thing, it gives me an idea that the market is probably failing to push all the way down, because if the market was in a hurry to get to a certain demand zone or supply zone, it was not going to respect that level, you know. So what we have is that it's a clear indication if the market is taking so much time to break a level or zone or a certain price, just know that it is bound to go the opposite way. So yes, I'm a trend line trader. Just to clarify things, I don't use trend lines all the time, but I just confirm with my strategy. So what we can see is that we are at our support of our downtrending trend line. I don't know if you caught that one, guys, because you know it's just, you know, layers on top of layers or layers underneath. Yeah, but we are at our support zone of our downtrending trend line. So what we can see is that the market has been ranging from that point right there. So let me just change the color right here. So it's a clear indication that we are failing to break that level. We are failing to break that price. So we need to find, listen to me carefully, we need to find the supply zone all the way to the upside. I'm not anticipating that this price will move all the way to the upside, you know, to your higher highs, but definitely we are going to go up and respect a few of our supply zones to the top, and then we can continue with the direction. But this will be a weekly trade, or could be a good 1 month or 2 month trade, you know. It's not an in and out, depending on the market fluctuations, your fundamentals, and yeah, and how price will move from that level right here. But so let me just draw my support, my resistance right here. As you can see, the market has been ranging again, just like I said, this market or this currency pair and ranging. But trust me, guys, believe you me, if you know what you're doing on the market, you're able to capitalize even on smaller time frames. Yeah, so what we can see is that we are having a break of a channel right here. Let me just go down to our smallest time frame right here. Let me zoom in. So I'm gonna take my vertical line and I'm gonna just draw straight all the way to the downside. So as you can see, price broke out that level, you know. Just like any price action trader, you would expect this market to shoot all the way to the upside, but we can see that this price took out our recent low. It's not a train smash, you know. I don't think the loss would be that much, but if you are in here with the buys, I think you're in a good position, right? Because we can see we had an engulfing candle right here. So basically what the price usually does is that it engulfs, you know, and then price needs to be filled from there, engulfs, and then it'll correct itself all the way to the downside just to respect that engulfing candle, and then it'll take off with the rightfully direction that it's supposed to take. Let's just go to our fourth pair. Let's see, let's just take Euro AUD, guys. Let's just take Euro AUD. I believe that we've analyzed this pair before. Sorry about that. The last time we analyzed this pair is that you can see, guys, we never really tweaked any of our analysis. So basically what you see is what you get. So the last time we analyzed this pair, we briefly explained that we had an impulsive move to the downside, and we need to correct that level, you know. Impulsive move, correction right here, and another impulsive move. So guys, the whole 3-step move, it also applies to smaller time frames, you know, to the smallest time frames. So what we have is that we have an impulsive move to the downside, and we must anticipate, or we must wait for a correction right here, and then an impulsive move all the way to the downside. Let me just take my trend line just to confirm. Right, so as you can see, I don't think the analysis will change from the previous week to this week, guys, because, you know, we trade the same method of trading, you know, or the strategy. Let's just say it like that. Let's just put it like that. We trade the same strategy. So what it gives us is what we see, you know. Yeah, so as you can see, let me just take my support, which was turned into a resistance right here. Now that's a resistance, support. You know, I like dealing with zones, because not only am I focusing on resistance only, you know, I feel like with zones it trains my mind that it's a support, but when you look at it from the other side, it'll be a resistance, you know. So that's basically what I like doing. So I'll just take my support right here, which will later be my resistance if the price is going to breach that red line. So this is what I predict or focused on this particular pair, you know, because we've been selling, guys, you know, we've been selling. It's not easy for currency pairs to change direction, you know. If you want to look at the overall direction, just go to the weekly or the monthly time frame, you know, just to, you know, gauge where is the market going to go, you know. It's not like your typical instruments, you know, which will change direction, you know, every week, you know. I love currencies so much because the amount of patience, you know, it requires is just so out of this world. So guys, this will be the last pair that I'll be focusing on. This is the Aussie/Japanese yen. So as you can see, guys, this pair is literally giving us an idea that it could be forming a triple top. So as you can see, I've carefully placed my support and resistance. You can go to your charts, guys. You can go to TradingView or MetaTrader and look at where Aussie and the Japanese yen is at. You'll see that it's at its highest, you know, because I have confirmed with my higher time frames. So this is my channel right here. It broke our channel and we are still retesting our channel. However, remember what I said, guys. Sometimes the market can only give you what you really want, but you need to trade, you know, you need to trade with the market makers, you know. You need to trade the price. Don't trade your idea, trade the price. So what I can see is that we have a triple top right here. Let me just go at my first, second, third. So it's a clear triple top. You know, this is a reversal pattern. You know, you can go to Google and just Google a triple top formation. So it gives us an idea, you know, understanding of where the market is going to go. So there, I believe that with CHF, JPY. Okay, I thought the previous pair was my last pair. Let me just give you guys another one, you know, just to brainstorm during this week. Make sure that you also practice, you know, on your side. Make sure that you also practice on your side. We have our support and resistance right here, and let me just carefully place my channel. Let me go my channel right here, and break of channel. You're gonna be waiting for a retest to the channel, and then we're going all the way to the downside. Yeah, so yeah, guys, these are like my trading ideas. Yep, so this is what we have. We have two levels, guys. The market can either respect this price, can respect that level or that zone, or the one on top. This is your mentor from FOREX&YOU. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all the new subscribers, welcome, guys. Welcome, man. You know, just invest in the channel, and we'll invest in the knowledge. Simple like that. So yeah, have a lovely weekend, guys. Let's get the bag, let's get the money. I'm out.